following is equivalent to the above expression. So here you have to simplify this one. How can we simplify this? First of all, you should know what are like terms. Like terms have same variables with same exponents. For example, if I take 4p plus 3p, you can add this two. 4 plus 3, 7p, because these are like terms. Okay, but if you have 4p plus 3p square plus 2p, these are like terms, whereas this is not. Okay, so like terms means they have variables with same exponents. They should have same variables with same exponents. Okay, so here in this question, we can add up like terms. Okay, so here which are the like terms? X square y. So is there x square y? Yes, here you have x square y. So you can add this. Similarly, you can see 3y square here. So here also you have minus 3y square. So they are like terms. Here 5xy square and 3xy square, they are like terms. Okay, so I'm going to add up the like terms. So x square y minus 3y square plus 5xy square. Okay, now see, here there is a subtraction sign. Okay, you have a minus here and you have to distribute it to all of this. This minus has to be distributed to all of this. That means minus of minus, that's plus. So you have plus x square y minus and plus. Here you have minus, here you have plus. So that means minus 3xy square. Now here you have minus and here minus. So minus and minus, that's plus. So plus 3y square. Okay. Now just see which are like terms. I'm just marking the like terms with same colors. This is x square y and this is minus 3xy square. Sorry, they are not like terms. X square y and this x square y, they are like terms. And this is minus 3y square and plus 3y square, they are like terms. And 5xy square and minus 3xy square, they are like terms. So you have to add up the like terms. So what is x square y? X square y and x square y? You have 2x square y. 2x square y. Now see this one, minus 3y square and plus 3y square get cancelled. And what is remaining? That is 5xy square minus 3xy square. That is 5 minus 3, that is 2. So you have plus 2xy square. So your answer is 2x square y plus 2xy square. That is option C. Option C is the right answer.